Here we'd like to find the 5 remaining trigonometric functions for the angle theta. We're given that the sine of theta is equal to 5/7 and theta is in quadrant 2. We're going to let the point xy be on the circle x squared plus y squared equals r squared. We know that sine of theta is equal to y over r if we're on a circle of radius r, and that's equal to 5/7. So we know y and we know r. We plug those values into our equation here. We'll have x squared plus 5 squared equals 7 squared. We solve this for x. X squared will equal 49 minus 25. So x squared is equal to 24, which gives us that x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Now we need to remember that we're in quadrant 2, so we can't use both values for x. We're only going to get one value. In quadrant 2, we're looking at negative x values, so we're going to use x is equal to negative 2 root 6. To find the remaining trig functions, we want to find cosine theta. Cosine theta is equal to x over r. And if we plug in our values for x and we plug in our value for r, we'll get that cosine theta is negative 2 root 6 divided by 7. Next we want tangent of theta, where the tangent of theta is y over x. Again, plug in the values for x and y, and we'll get that tangent of theta is negative 5 root 6 divided by 12. Secant of theta will be r over x. Put in our values for r and x and simplify. We'll get that secant of theta is equal to negative 7 root 6 divided by 12. Then our last function, cotangent of theta. Cotangent of theta will be x over y. Plug in the two values, simplify, and we get negative 2 root 6 over 5.